Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. As promised, I'm going to be showing you my hair mask recipe that I use once a month to keep my hair shining, glowing, whatever you want to call it. But it gives you that silky, smooth, shiny hair even with one use. So if you want to know how to prepare this and how to use it, please keep on watching. The first thing that you'll need for this is a super ripe banana. If you didn't know, ripe bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve the manageability and shine of your hair and prevent and control dandruff because they're a natural moisturizer. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, as well as vitamins which are essential to soften your hair. And they also protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. And you'll also need an egg, which is a natural superfood for your hair because of the combinations of vitamins found inside an egg. It has vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, and folate, which are essential nutrients to grow your hair and keep your hair healthy. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil not only helps with hair growth, it also nourishes your scalp. It's a natural SPF and protects your hair from the harmful sun rays and also gives it a beautiful shine. I'm also going to be using a tablespoon full of honey, which is a natural moisturizer to the hair, so it reduces the frizz and softens your hair. I'm also going to be using mayonnaise. If you didn't know, it's used in several different hair masks. It adds shine and strengthens the hair from the root to the tip. The main ingredients in mayonnaise are egg and oil. The high amount of protein that it has helps to strengthen as well as thicken the hair follicles, and the olive and canola oils deeply moisturize the hair, providing a beautiful shine. I'm going to be mixing in 2 tablespoons full of mayo. If you can't find it, you can also use avocado, olive oil, butter, or coconut milk instead. To this, I'm mixing in 1 tablespoon full of lime juice. Lime juice is beneficial in promoting hair growth. It's been used to treat baldness, hair thinning, as well as hair loss problems with age. The main nutrient that promotes hair growth is vitamin C, and we all know that limes have that in abundance. And that's why I'm going to mix in 1 tablespoon full of lime juice. I'm going to blend this together. I'm not adding any water because this is going to come off as a pretty runny liquid. So you don't need any water. And I'm going to fill this in a hair color applicator bottle. These are so easy to use. All you have to do is press gently and you can see the liquid flowing through. So it's very easy to reach all the roots, the tips, as well as saturate the entire hair with this. I've linked a few applicator bottles in the description box below, so do check them out. It's so easy to apply any kind of hair mask or hair color with these. Before you apply the mask, make sure you're wearing an old t-shirt or something old which you don't mind getting stained, because this mask can stain your clothes. And also make sure to remove any jewelry. It's been a couple days since I washed my hair and I did straighten it, but as you can see, there is still some frizz. I'm going to use the tip of the applicator to center part my hair, and I'm going to gently press on it so it can start releasing the liquid into the roots. As you can see, I'm going all the way from my front hairline to the back. And as I said, it's so easy to use the applicator bottle because it gets into every root and saturates it. And then I'm going to start sectioning my hair into small parts. I'm going to work on the roots as well as saturate the entire hair from the root to the tip. This mask can feel a little sticky, so if you're uncomfortable with that feeling, you can most definitely wear gloves. But I'm so used to it, so I don't necessarily need it. And this mask itself smells like banana, just so you know. It doesn't stink or anything, but it does smell like banana. there's any leftovers after saturating my entire hair, I use it on top of my hair and give my scalp a good massage. Massaging the scalp promotes blood flow, and that in turn again helps with hair growth. And then I tie a rubber band and cover my hair with either a shower cap or a plastic wrap. I keep this on for about 1 hour before I wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. A couple things that you need to know. One, as time progresses, this mask will start turning brown in color because it has banana. Banana will react with the heat in your body and turn brown. But you don't have to worry about it releasing any dye into your hair. It's not going to change your hair color or anything. Just the mask will turn brown. And then to wash it off, you can use your regular shampoo and conditioner. I've listed what I use in the description box right below this video. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I straightened my hair after washing it to show you how the shine looks. It feels silky smooth and there's obviously no frizz, as you can see. So it's more like a homemade keratin treatment for your hair, and it'll last you anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks before you have to do it again. And you might as well, because it's a great mask for your hair. Try it one time and you will see a big difference in the way your hair feels in terms of texture. It becomes smooth and you'll see a beautiful shine and you will not be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know. And let me know if you want to watch more DIY videos. I do so many things on myself and I'd love to share it with you guys. And if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As a reminder, whole of next week from Monday through Friday, I will be posting a different video every single day. These are recreations of your favorite actresses from TV shows. Having said that, any guesses on who I will be recreating tomorrow? Let me know in the comment section below if you know the answer to that, and come back tomorrow to see who it is. I love you guys so much and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new one. Bye guys.